You're up a daybreak at 6:25. Hopefully you had a good night's sleep, but what about your partner? Did your snoring by chance keep them up?
Well, if the answer is yes, first say you're sorry and then start thinking about your health seriously. It turns out you could be doing some real damage. Let's connect the dots. Most snoring at a young age is caused by sleep apnea or other health conditions. They can obstruct your breathing, which causes loud snoring, and that can lead to breathing problems and a restless night's sleep. Sleep experts found that if you lose about 10% of sleep or 48 minutes per night throughout your whole life, your brain will age about 2 years faster. Studies show about 1 in 5 people suffer from snoring, but only about 3% get treatment. That could include working out more, using a CPAP machine, or getting surgery to fix obstructions in your nose or throat.